What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you, this is me trying by Taylor Swift from a new album Folklore. So we have the keyboard on the second fret. I will be covering the full album within the next 10 hours hopefully. So make sure to have a look at, stay tuned at the playlist. So let's get started. Keyboard on the second fret. Have a look at the structure. We have the intro, verse, chorus, verse, chorus, verse, chorus. So we have 3 parts to learn: the intro, pretty easy, verse, and the chorus. That's it for the song. So let's have a look at the chords. First chord will be a G major, which is 3, 2, open, 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 3. Now we will be using some variation of this chord while playing. So first variation is actually G/B, which is played second fret, or which is played top E string muted, second fret on the A string, open D, open G, open B, third fret on the high E string. The another variation is a G/F sharp, which is played second fret on the E string, mute on the A string, open on the D string, G string open, B string open, third fret on the high E string. Another variation I will be playing sometimes for the, basically for the intro, we have it's a G/4, which is 3, 2, open, open, 1, 3. 3, 2, open, open, 1, 3. D major, mute, mute, open, second, third, second. E minor, 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. What else? That's it. Before moving further, we don't have much guitar parts to play over here. Unlike the other song, we had some finger picking stuff, but for this one, we just have one rhythm going throughout the whole song. So therefore, just have a look at the strumming pattern. I just want to say that make sure you please subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. Maybe in the next one, or maybe the next month, or before that, or after that maybe, but it's all upon you guys. So the string pattern will be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. Big string pattern indeed. So we are doing down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So now we have one accent on this one. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So the third down which we have is having the beat. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Also in the last round you can actually do that. So we got it. Now we play this for the intro, same string pattern throughout the whole song. So for the intro we just have one chord, which is a G, and what I like to do is I just want to switch between the G and the G/4. So I just add my index, which is completely free, and I just add it on the B string when I require. So you go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. That's it. Then you have the verse. For the verse, the chord progression will be a G, C, G, G/F sharp, E minor, C, D, D another time. Let's play the verse. Simple, super easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have the chorus, and for the chorus the chord progression will be E minor, C, G, G/B, C, D, G. Strumming pattern applied once for each chord and it will be done. So that's it for this lesson. I'm just gonna play the chorus right now, but the next verse, next chorus, and after that the next verse and the next chorus will be exactly same. So therefore you don't worry about anything else. And make sure to subscribe my channel once more, I'm telling, because I'm really working hard. So therefore I need one subscribe. It actually helps your boy a lot and it encourages me to an extent. So I don't want to talk much. I have to do a lot of lessons. 1, 2, let's play the chorus. That's it, and I'll see you guys back in a very next video. Till then, bye.